Actually.
Ah, okay. Thank you, Arnav. Now, yes, Arnav. Hello,
Yes, sir.
Arnav. The next column, next box, next box. All the misery is in the world is due to women. Means because of women. Due to women means because of women. It is not the fact. This was the belief in ancient time, but nowadays it is not believed so. Here, next,
Yes, sir.
next, next.
सर हम बोले
Ah, Avinash.
the
Hello.
truth was the Indians. Sir. Yes, sir.
Ah, then continue. Hello.
The truth was that Indians have lost the British scorned them.
Self-respect. Self-respect. The Indians had lost. It is present perfect.
So past perfect.
Thank you.
That's perfect.
It is
Past perfect.
past perfect. And self-respect, swabhiman,
Atma-samman.
atma-samman,
Swabhiman.
swabhiman. And the British, yes. And why we are ruled by another one? Because we do not have our own personality well formed. We do not believe in ourselves. That's why we are ruled. Yes. Now the British scorned them. Here the scorn word has come. Day before yesterday, once again we had made this word, scorn. Can you have all the words I have given, I have supplied to you? Scorn. Scorn means Jyoti,
ठुकराना ठुकराना
Gaya Lucknow.
Sir, hate, despise, scorn,
Very good. Eyes,
hatred, hatred,
hatred. Third,
so hate, despise, scorn, hatred,
and the detest.
so
Detest.
क्या?
सर पतझड़
Nine. Detest.
Yes, sir, detest.
Detest. These four words I have supplied to you. Scorn, despise, distaste, and hate. The reason behind this respect was because they do not have self respect.
Respect.
Next Babas in the same photograph. Read next Babas. Who had read?
Sir, हम पढ़े sir.
हाँ पढ़िए ना.
So the native are unworthy of trust, incapable of honesty.
Yes.
True, your honor, but I am honest.
The people are talking to your honor, but I am honest. Means the Indian people were blamed by the British government, yeah, British general, that Indian people are incapable, means not able. Indians are not able. That was told by the Britishers. And we were also blamed, Indian people were also blamed for dishonesty. Means Indian people are not honest. When they were blamed like this by the general, then one of the Indian people told that it was mistaken, it was wrong. And the person who told this, he told about himself that he was honest.
Yes.
Next,
Being merchants, the British wanted quick profit. Their heavy taxes forced farmers to and abandon their fields.
yes, yes. Now here, tax word has been used. Related to tax word, revenue. And can you define the difference between revenue and tax? Anyone of you, can you define the difference between revenue and tax?
क्या क्या
You might have studied about the tax revenue many times in your study. You tell me the difference between a revenue and tax, the difference between revenue and tax. Anyone? Anyone of you? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Ah, tell Jyoti, what is the difference between the revenue and tax?
सर रिवेन्यू होता है सर रिवेन्यू वो होता है जिस
Government tax the benefit, the share of benefit.
सर टैक्स मींस जो गवर्नमेंट लेता है हर चीज पर
Yes, that is the tax. And the revenue is
और
related to.
जो हम लोग नहीं चाहते फिर भी लोग मांग के ले जाता है
Nahi babu. Revenue means
सर भुगतान करना.
land, territory, land revenue. Here, the share from the production of the land is called a revenue. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
यस सर
Okay, the difference between the revenue and the tax. Yes, and they were forced, they were imposed a heavy tax. The income was, for example, at present the government has started demanding money through GST. GST. What is GST? It is also a tax, goods. So, though the people were unable to pay, even then they were compelled to pay the tax. It was injustice. It was injustice. Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
In some family, conversation is okay. That is the problem. That's why I tell you, we have the class 8 in it. But you will have to pay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Next. Yes.
But
One of the people say it. For men are you read.
सर आवाज नहीं आ रहा.
सर आवाज नहीं आ रहा है
मेरा आवाज नहीं आ रहा, ये कैसे? मैं तो म्यूट पर ही हूँ. ठीक है, मैं तो ठीक हूँ.
सर अब ठीक है सर।
अब ठीक है। हाँ,
यस सर।
आप लोग ऐसा ही जब नाश्ता पानी करते हैं तो आवाज नहीं आ रहा है, नाश्ता करने चले जाते हैं। ओके, नाउ रीड इट, बट योर men are taking all, हेलो,
My
My
crops.
crops.
हाँ, तो then why don't you read it?
You
But
are
your
still
men are taking
parents.
all my crop.
हाँ, who is telling this?
The the
British.
Indian farmer telling to British.
हाँ,
The
yes,
Indian farmer telling to British.
हाँ, the Indian farmers are telling to British. Now convert this sentence into indirect speech. Convert it into indirect speech.
The farmer said that
Okay. हाँ, हाँ, yes, you are right, Jyoti. हाँ,
his men were taking all his crop.
very good. So that is in indirect speech. You are still in a, read it. I am unable to read.
Adios.
Hello.
To jail.
You are. Yes sir.
Read it.
You are still in arrears.
Do you?
If you don't pay next week, I will send you to jail.
Oh, now you see, is it the love, cruelty, atrocity? Select one.
Atrocity.
Yes, and also cruelty. It is atrocity, cruelty. It is not the love of the British. You are still the arrears, means the last year's payment which the farmers should do was not presented. And that means if you have not paid the tax for long period, means you are in arrears. Means previous years will be included into the present. If you, and here is the warning being given by the, here is the warning being given by the, fill the blank.
Why you all are on
सर
mute?
क्या बोले सर?
Students, please unmute your phone. Unmute your mobile phone. Only Arnab, Sachin, Jyoti are unmuted.
Every one of you unmute it.
Then you are able to speak something.
Oh, hello.
Yes sir.
So here the atrocity of the British government we can observe that they compel the farmers to pay the present tax and the previous one, including the previous one. Clear hai?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now next box. Hurry up. The time is less.
Inevitably,
Still the
famines followed between 1822 and 1836. 15 lakh Indians died of starvation.
Jyoti, you have left the left part.
Yes sir.
Left box. You have left the left box.
Still, the British invented other methods which gave them more profit.
Yes, means Britishers were applying the different methods to collect revenues and taxes from the farmers. So,
People.
so,
Yes, sir, from the farmer.
so they brought another method to collect the tax. So what were the methods? Okay, Jyoti, continue.
The goods manufactured in England should not have any import duty when brought into India.
Very good. Now here the goods are manufactured. What will come?
Which was?
Which one?
Which were?
Very good.
Which we are?
The two
Which
words,
we are?
yes, two words to be filled will be which were. The goods which were manufactured in England should not have any import duty. What is the opposite of import?
Export.
Very good.
Export.
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 Then
Yes, sir.
all of you listen. Today, I'm sorry,